saying I'm hungry, I mean it. Like, stomach is touching my back right now. Take me a piece of bread, and you see the butter. Well, you can't really see it, but it's that's what I'm talking about. Trying to take me out. Ah! So this is my cheesy egg with some bread, and look. What the f? I burnt the bread. Like, look.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
And I'm still gonna eat it, so I don't care. But like, damn, like, really? It's not that hard to make bread, but yeah, things happen. So.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P.
Y'all, we in the kitchen tonight. We're in the kitchen with our cucumbers, onions. Set up over here.
She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push P. Push P.
Got that meat. All right.
Capital P, I write the president, count president. Push P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push P, I'm pushing P.
Another thing I wanted to say is that I made the rice, but it came out too mushy because I put like too much water in it. So if you want to, you can actually fry it. So when you fry the rice, it makes it come out like, it makes the rice hard, because that's the whole point of frying it. So when it come out hard, it just makes the rice taste more better.
Push P, push P. Yeah. Push P, I'm pushing P. Push P, I'm pushing P. Yeah. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Basically, I use a little seasoning salt. You feel me? You gotta get that real shit, that red garlic salt. But show that garlic salt, that green type of.
That part.
Feel me? A little salt, got a little pepper. Hold on, I got
This
that.
shit goes crazy.
Hold on, I got that shit though. Get it all together, you feel me? Had to make it right. Hold on. I don't know where it's in yet because it don't show, but yeah.
Yep.
But you know it go down. It's a little red right now, but when it's cooked, you ain't gotta worry about that. It's Chef AB in the building. You know what it is.
Ain't compromising, $500,000 on the boot. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue.
No. Hold on, wait. I got it right here. Okay, there we go.
Red James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, yeah. Top off, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, bitch. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet.